Just sprinkle sugar on the charcoal and the smoke will disappear completely. An experienced griller taught me how to do it. To start, we are going to need a can. It can be a soda can or a beer can, any can you have at home, and we are going to make a cut of approximately 3 fingers. So now we take a knife or a pair of scissors, and we are going to cut on this line of this can. Done at this part, you can discard it, okay, because this is the part that we were going to use now. The next step here, we are going to use a little bit of alcohol. Here I am using 70% alcohol, but in your case, you can use any other type of alcohol that you have at home. And then we are going to add a little bit until we get a little bit more than half. So that way, once you do this, you will never again see that annoying smoke coming out of your barbecue or when you want to barbecue inside your house. It's not going to release all that smoke that's going to stay in your house is something very unpleasant, isn't it? And now look at this. Here we are going to use sugar. This is the trick for you to light your barbecue in a simple way. And without all that smoke, you have to put sugar. So we are going to put 2 spoonfuls of sugar. Here you can put 2 spoonfuls of sugar. Okay? And why is this using sugar? Well, the sugar will filter all that part of the charcoal that releases that smoke, and so it won't let out all that charcoal smoke that stays there in your house. The alcohol will serve as fuel and the sugar will serve to keep the smoke from coming out of here, so it won't go out, okay? You won't need to blow it out or fan the fire, okay? Now we'll mix it well and then we'll do that. We'll place this can that we cut. That's going to be the fuel for your barbecue here, right in the middle. Now we're going to do the natural process. We're going to make that little charcoal hut around this, and then I'm going to show you how this works and how efficient it is. The next step here is to take a piece of charcoal, and we're going to put it here in the middle. Here, we're going to dip it inside this can, and now we take a piece of paper without fear. No problem, okay? We'll take a piece of this paper, we'll light it on fire, and we'll dip it without any risk, and light it pretty quickly. And you'll notice that it doesn't smoke here. It will light automatically, and you won't have any problem with smoke. In other words, now you can barbecue even inside your house, and you will see that it will not release that annoying smoke, that unbearable smell of smoke. Now just wait for the fire to light well. Here you will see that it lights up automatically. That's the trick. Put sugar on this because the sugar will filter everything out. Hey, look at this. No smoke comes out at all. Do it at home and you will thank me because this is an excellent tip.